In this video, I'll show you how to use Afterpay on Cash App online, step by step. So, let's get started. First, open your Cash App and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the main screen, look at the bottom and tap on the magnifying glass icon. This will open the Discover section, where you can search for different features or partners. Now, type Afterpay into the search bar. As you'll notice, Afterpay isn't currently available as a direct partner on Cash App. That means you can't officially link or manage Afterpay payments directly within the Cash App interface. But don't worry, there's still an easy workaround. You can use your Cash App card as a payment method inside the Afterpay app itself. Open your Afterpay app on your phone and log into your account. Browse for the item you want to purchase and add it to your cart. When you begin the checkout process, you'll be asked to choose a payment method. At that point, simply select your Cash App card, either the physical or virtual version. This card is directly linked to your Cash App balance, so any payments you make through Afterpay will automatically be withdrawn from there. And that's it. That's how you can easily use Afterpay with your Cash App to complete purchases, even though they aren't officially connected as partners yet.